opening side is on the bottom, it's towards you, and folded edge is on the top. Let's fold in half vertical way from left to the right. Open that rectangle piece. You now have a vertical center crease right here. And from the top, folded edge, fold a triangle to the center crease. Just like that. And do the same thing from the opposite side. I didn't do perfect job, not so precise, but it's okay. It's forgiving piece. So as long as you have the triangles towards the center, that is perfect. Like that. Okay, and let's make a tight crease by putting your weight onto your finger and slide all the way like that. And from here, just imagine this is a cat face, and a cat do not have a pointy head like that. So I'm going to get rid of that little bit. And there's no particular place, but it's about 1/4 of this length, this triangle. So if you really want to know where, I would do this, fold down to the bottom of the triangle and unfold it. Then now you know where to fold. The top goes to the crease right here. But you can just do an eye measure too. And from here, you will make the ear. To make the ear, start from the bottom and crawl up, go up, go up. And ignore this top triangle piece. Just go up, nice and even right now, and make it towards the top. I think I like this much. Maybe more. And do the same way. And you can always fix later, so don't worry about it. Just make the triangle sticking out from this line. If you don't know what I'm talking about, just flip this to the other side. See, that looks like here's a face line and ear sticking out. That looks like that, isn't it? So that's what I'm going after. Yeah? And if you want it smaller or bigger, you can adjust it from here. I made it a little smaller, this area, by pressing. Just push this part in, and then you have a smaller ear sticking out. And let's make a sharp crease. So go back to the other side. Here's the top of the cat face. Make a very, very sharp, heavy crease by going through several times. I did at least 4 times. And the ear, very nice. Good. Now let's work on the bottom. To work on the bottom, we will do an interesting fold from this edge. I will fold trapezoid like that. And I will do the same thing. From the crossing line of this ear line and the face head line, you see that big V, obtuse V, and fold from there. And from here, you do one more step to do the bottom. Open this trapezoid and squash. Open squash. Nice and even. Let me show you again. So from here, bring that up towards you and put your finger inside because it's like a door. And put your finger all the way to the top, inside, and squash. So now you have the shape like this. And there are 2 layers on the bottom. Bring the top layer up and fold it up. And you will do the same thing on the back, the bottom layer. To do so, fold this little corner just a little bit, or maybe this much. That would make it easier. The triangle here. Because I want to fold this piece to inside right here. And this portion is going to be in my way, so I will fold the extra part. So that becomes like a trapezoid on the bottom. And fold that to inside. So let's do this way. Make a crease on top of it first, so you know exactly where to fold, and bring the paper to inside. You are almost sculpting the bottom at this point. So I have a wrinkle right here, but it's okay because it's not like the 2-dimensional flat origami. This is unusual, using the very soft newspaper and sculpting the shape. The wrinkles are okay. So this, as a result, it goes like that. And the top is folded down. Turn it over. That is here's a cat ear, and you can draw the eyes and whiskers and draw. The top right here, grab that one and bring the triangle to the center and all the way to the bottom. And start from the sharp corner right here and gradually match all the lines. Like making a big arrow. From here, this rectangle is going to be folded in. So I will place my finger right here as a guide. And I'll do more right here with my 1, 2, 3 finger, placing the edge line here and makes a fold, a little pinch, and then same thing at the end. I'll put my finger right here where the edge of this right triangle. Now you have 3 pinches, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 pinches, and use that pinch and press the gaps. After that, open the rectangle piece and open a triangle. Tuck that rectangle piece in so that you have square. Let's go back to the triangle. And when you do the triangle, make sure you fold this rectangle piece together. Fold the bottom to the top and the bottom to the top. And when you do the 2 pieces together, try not to overlap. In this case, I would be happy to have just a little bit in between the 2 triangle flaps. Because this is the ear, and it's kind of nice to see the little gap between the ears, if you see what I mean here. Turn it over to the back side, and on the top there are 2 layers. Both layers grab that all the way to the bottom. Make sure you are folding all the way down, so the bottom goes to the very bottom corner of the bottom triangle. Grease hard so that it stays right here. You like to have this pointy corner cut like this. So you will fold this to the back, fold that to the back. That's the next step. Let's do it from the back side. Turn it over to the back side, and this corner, fold that to the center, almost all the way to the center. Because there are a bunch of layers, I will really fold it heavy. So you do the both side, fold one, fold the opposite side. And if you like, because we want to make it practical, you can tape this right here, or you can glue it. Flip to the other side. So now you have the shape of the bunny. On the bottom, there are some layers. And let's say this is the top layer inside. It's like a big pocket. That's where my hand goes in, or your head goes in.
So you fold this about this much, so part of the triangle. I don't think I will do this way. Here's a corner and a corner, not there. It's lower than that corner. That's where I'm going to fold up. And here's a little nose, fold it down. And again, tight crease. And if you want to glue it, go ahead. And on the bottom, I kind of like this part, the bottom part. So I will fold the triangle up and tuck that in. And if you like, you can bring one ear down. It's all yours to create. Enjoy!